We ready to go, we ready to go. I know the missile prepared for launch and ready to blow. I know that they ready to blow. Yeah. Look in the sky, it's your how it shine. He on that chariot, look at it glad, look at him fly. Oh yeah, come and take us home. I'm still down here holding on. I'm still down here holding on, holding on.
That is so crazy.
I'm finna go, but we ready to go. I know the missile prepared for launch and ready to blow. I know they ready to blow. Look in the sky, it's your how it shine. He on the chariot, look at it glad, look at him fly. Oh yeah, come and take us home. I'm still down here holding on, we still standing strong. We know you up there on that throne. We gon' hold your name down, Lord, name down. We gon' hold your name down. Take me up on a new level. Every step is a new devil. Falling short, gotta do better. New song with the whole letter. I can see the whole universe. Every scripture, every verse, every precept, every word. Through the joy and through the hurt. Through the sunshine and the rain. Through the bloodshed and the pain. We gon' bless your holy name. We gon' praise your holy name. We gon' fear your holy name. Why they thought that it was a game? They gon' die and wake up ashamed, cause they thought that it was anything. I am ready to go. Could you slow down on that chariot and swing low? And we are ready to go. Could you slow down on that chariot and swing low? Blow this bitch up, kaboom. Come back soon. Devil, get up out my life. Ain't even got no room. Let's get it, let's go, we gone. I'm on whatever the Lord on. Let's get it, let's go, we gone. I'm on whatever the Lord on. Let's get it, let's go, we gone. I'm on whatever the Lord on. I'm finna go, but we ready to go. I know the missile prepared for launch and ready to blow. Look in the sky, it's your how it shine. He on the chariot, look at it glad, look at him fly. Oh yeah, come and take us home. I'm still down here holding on, we still standing strong. We know you up there on that throne. We gon' hold your name down, Lord, name down. We gon' hold your name down.
That is so crazy.
Yo, YouTube, what's happening? It's your boy Frank Nitty. We made it. Hayden, Colorado. We made it up here, man. They just took that excavator off. Well, they bought to take the excavator off. As soon as they come off, they little lunch break. But I had one stop out there in Kansas at Caterpillar. Then I brought this one up here. So excavators delivered. Excavators delivered. I ain't gonna lie, I haven't been this far west. I say it in about like 6 years. I ain't been this far west. So riding through Colorado, man, definitely a sight. It was definitely a sight to see. Like, this what I be talking about, that bring back the excitement of driving. You know what I'm saying? I've been running the East Coast, Midwest. A lot of times the companies be like, oh yeah, we're going OTR. You got some companies that will send you OTR. You know what I'm saying? And all the Cali and stuff like that. But it's been, I would say, 6 years since I done been out west. And riding through the mountains out here, man, I was definitely digging it. Enjoyed it. Now we got to get up out of here. I think Wyoming, I'm not too far from Wyoming. So I'm waiting right now to see what my next load gonna be. And once they send over my next load, it's just, you know, keep it pushing, keep it rolling, or whatever like that. I know it's a Love's, probably like 120 miles from me. So, in worst case scenario, I drive up to Wyoming, shut down, because I'm not standing in the middle of nowhere off this mug. Like, ain't no way. Ain't no way. We rode around here, got up here. Definitely a sight to see. I came up, I got off 70. I think I hopped on something called US 9 North. I hopped on 40, US 40, and went on ahead and came to the delivery spot. They about to take this off, man, and I'm about to keep it pushing. I appreciate y'all for checking in with your boy, man. I really wasn't gonna do too much talking today. I just want to show y'all, you know, it's not. This isn't hard, but it is challenging. It make you use your brain. You know what I'm saying? When you doing stuff like this, and actually being careful at all times. You know what I'm saying? But if I can do it, anybody can do it. I appreciate it. Catch up with you on the next one.
So wrong. He know we ready to go home. Won't be much longer, just hold on. I drop to my knees and I pray to the Father, screaming Salakia, Abba Yahweh. He got the light, he got the power, we got the truth, and now is the hour. My people been fighting for so long, he done been doing us so wrong. He know we ready to go home. Won't be much longer, just hold on.